Welcome to our comprehensive guide on understanding bank reporting procedures for large cash deposits, specifically tailored for international students. In today's video, we'll delve into bank reporting requirements, potential implications, and best practices for managing personal finances. Let's get started. In this video, we will cover 4 key areas related to bank reporting procedures for large cash deposits. First, we'll discuss bank regulations and the reporting process. Next, we'll focus on how these procedures affect international students. Following that, we'll provide some best practices for handling large deposits. And finally, we'll wrap up with important considerations to keep in mind. Financial institutions are legally obligated to report transactions exceeding specific thresholds, typically $10,000 in the U.S., to regulatory agencies like the Financial Crimes Enforcement Network, or FinCEN. The purpose of these reports is to combat money laundering and financial crimes. It's important to note that such reports do not automatically imply any wrongdoing, as they are part of standard compliance procedures. Some banks may also use internal procedures that can trigger reporting for smaller amounts. International students often encounter queries about the source of their cash deposits, especially because their financial situations might involve funds transferred from abroad. It's important to be transparent during these interactions. A clear and truthful explanation, such as stating that this is a gift from my parents for educational expenses, is generally sufficient. While it's not illegal to deposit large sums of cash, it's advisable to use alternative methods like wire transfers, checks, or electronic funds transfers whenever possible. These options provide better traceability and can reduce the likelihood of further scrutiny from the bank. It's important to avoid the practice of breaking down deposits into smaller amounts to bypass reporting thresholds. This is illegal and can result in severe consequences, including the potential seizure of funds. Always be honest and forthcoming with bank personnel about the source of your funds. Parental financial support is a legitimate reason for significant cash deposits. Now, let's test your understanding with a quick quiz. What is the legal reporting threshold for large cash deposits in the U.S.? Here are your options. A. $5,000. B. $10,000. C. $15,000. D. $20,000. You may pause the video now to think about the answer, and we will discuss it in the next section of the video. The correct answer is $10,000. In the U.S., any cash transaction that exceeds $10,000 is required to be reported to regulatory agencies, such as the Financial Crimes Enforcement Network, to help combat money laundering and other financial crimes. To recap, understanding bank reporting procedures is crucial, particularly for international students dealing with large cash deposits. Transactions over $10,000 must be reported to relevant authorities, but this doesn't imply wrongdoing. Transparency with bank personnel is always advisable for a smooth banking experience. Thank you for watching our guide on understanding bank reporting procedures for large cash deposits. If you found the information helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. We would love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Stay informed and keep those financial queries coming.